Hey everyone, Merry Christmas. So, today for this special occasion, I'm making Gingerbread Man Cupcakes. I'm so glad to be sharing Christmas with everyone. And today, on this special occasion, this Gingerbread Man Cupcake seems so festive and just right for the occasion. So, without delay, let's get baking. First, combine the dry ingredients. It's all purpose flour, baking soda, cinnamon, and ginger. Whisk until combined. For the wet ingredients, add melted butter, some brown sugar. Next goes in some molasses and also some whole milk. Bring it all together using a spatula, and once your cupcake batter is nicely combined through and lump free, you want to transfer it to a greased in line baking dish and bake at 350 Fahrenheit or 90 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes so that they are completely baked through. Now next, you want to roll some gingerbread man cookie dough. You can click the I button above and you will get the recipe for this gingerbread man cookie dough. It's really simple to make. Simply roll it to about half-inch thickness on the sides and then use a gingerbread man cookie cutter to cut out these adorable little gingerbread man cookies. They are so fun and super easy to make as well. Once you have done that, transfer them to a greased in line baking dish and also use a skewer to draw the face and buttons of these adorable little gingerbread man cookies. You want to bake them at the same temperature, 350 Fahrenheit or 90 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. This is so fun and super exciting, even indulge your kids into this. And once these cupcakes are completely baked and cooled down, you want to top it with some whipped cream frosting. It's nothing but just heavy cream beaten with some sugar, and there you have a perfect heavy cream frosting. Just top it over these gingerbread man cookies along with some Christmas red and green themed sprinklers. And once you have done that, all you have to do is just top with some gingerbread man cookies and these will be ready. So there you go. I just insert these easy and cute gingerbread man cookies on top of my cupcakes and they are ready. I had such an amazing year with you all. I want to thank every one of you for following me on Recipe Magic. A big thank you to all my subscribers for following Recipe Magic. It's been an amazing year with you all, and also a big Happy New Year and Merry Christmas from Team Recipe Magic. Stay tuned for more and easy and healthy and amazing recipes like this, and have a great new year everyone.